Okay, this one's going to be really quick. It's just going to be how to replace the float needle in your Honda Big Ruckus. I've already got the carb out here, and I've already taken off the float bowl, and now we're going to remove the float. The float is this guy right here. There's a pin that slides through that holds it in place. You have to tap that pin out, and then once you get the float out of the way, you can get to your float needle. I just replaced this one yesterday, but discovered a very clever way of cleaning out that hole. And my previous one, I could see there was quite a bit of debris, and I don't know if that'll focus on that or not, but basically it's pretty nasty, and I want to make sure that none of that nasty is left in there, basically impregnating itself in the plastic of the new one, because that is the source of a gas leak that I have, which unfortunately, if you've got it sticking, it allows the fuel to flow back into your air intake, and it causes a mess, and your vehicle stinks, and you lose power. Okay, so we're just going to tap this gently, gently. There we go. You can kind of hear the sound change there. Now I'm going to pull this pin out like this. So there's my pin. Now my float is free. I can lift it up, and you can see underneath it, there's my new needle. Just inspecting it, it looks great. So I'm just going to put that there for the moment. And the trick that I heard about was to take a Q-tip. I don't know why I didn't think of this. And now you're going to want to be careful not to like really ram it around in there, because you don't ever want anything in here getting loose, right? A fiber can get into your jets, cause problems. But I just was like, man, since I'm getting back in here to fix a jet that I had put the wrong size in, I want to make sure that I've got, you know, the right sort of thing going on. So what I'm doing here is, this is just a little bit of seafoam, which I know is safe, and it sort of dissolves deposits and things like that. I'm going to put my Q-tip in there, and I'm just going to reach into here, and I'm just going to gently turn in the same direction and see. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you can see that yellowness on there. So there is certainly something sort of in there. I don't see any. Actually, I do see a little bit of debris. So this is great. So now I'm going to flip sides, get back in there, keep turning in the same direction. And again, I'm seeing yellow and a little debris. So this is good. I'm glad I took the time to do this. I'm going to do one more fresh one. And then that's going to be the end for me. Reinstallation is just as easy as I pulled it out. You put the float in place, you tap that pin back in, put on the cover, you're done. So that's all for now. But if you've got a Honda Big Ruckus, this is your carburetor, and this is one of the things you can do to help it run its best.